Hey guys, it's me again. So, for this video, I'm gonna be peeling, I guess is what you would call it. I'm not sure what you would call it, but peeling a pomegranate. I had pomegranate for the first time on, I think it was last Friday. I'm not for sure, but I fell in love with it, and I've been eating it nonstop ever since. Yeah, and me and my friend we were peeling one, and I just thought it made the most relaxing sounds. So I thought I would do a sounds video with it. So hopefully the sounds will come off on the webcam. But yeah, let's get started. So, so you're gonna need a cutting board, a knife, put this down, a bowl, and then water. So the first thing you want to do is pour water into your bowl. I'm going to set this. Okay. So, in case you haven't seen a pomegranate before, they look like this. This weird little thing. They almost look like an onion, kind of. Okay. So, they just look like that. So the first thing you want to do is you gotta cut it in half. Oh no, I'm getting it on my laptop. That's not good. Yeah, you gotta be really careful because these suckers stain like no other. And it's gross because it looks like blood. You guys will see the cutting board. You probably can see it already. See that right there? It's crazy. It's disgusting, but whatever. Okay. Now, if you've never seen the inside of a pomegranate, which I had never seen one before, and I was totally shocked at what it looked like. It looks like this. I thought when you ate a pomegranate, it was like a slices, like an orange or something, or like a grapefruit, but it's actually seeds that you eat. So apparently, you're supposed to pick the seeds out and put them into the bowl of water, and it helps break them apart better. That's what my friend told me. So what I do is I cut this into fourths. Oops. Take this little sticker off. Okay. So it's just really relaxing because how they hit the water. I hope you can hear it though. That's my only worry because this camera isn't, or the microphone on this camera isn't amazing. Or on the laptop, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try moving. Oops. So you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. So they just look like little kernels of corn. It's weird. Okay, so that's one down. Okay, so now we're gonna get the other part. Okay. Got a pocket of them right here. Oh, my cat just came over to see what's going on. You might see her show up in the shot. Nope, she's backing away. Hey guys, sorry I had to cut the video short. My sister and her friend came downstairs and they were being really loud. But I finished peeling the pomegranate. It looks like this. You just drain out the water and then you just eat it like popcorn. I've eaten a lot of it, but I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like when it's done. Not that it really changes, you just dump out the water. But just wanted to say thanks for watching and bye.